I'm working with 100% cotton worsted and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 1. That will not count as a stitch. Single crochet 6 times in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Now when you're done, you'll be able to pull the yarn end and close out that hole in the center. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat all the way around to make 6 loops in the circle. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops. There's my last chain 5. Slip stitch in the base of that first loop. Now in each loop you're going to make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 more single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch in that single crochet that separates the loops. And you're going to repeat all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4 more single crochet. And slip stitch in the single crochet that separates the loops. Like that, you're going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked all the way around, and this is what it will look like. You can fasten off and attach a hanger in one of the points. And here's one that's finished, and if you like, you can attach some pearls. And I bought some of these on a card at the dollar store. You get either rhinestones or pearls, and these are self-stick. But you could also use some smaller ones like this, or some rhinestones. And I made this one with Red Heart Super Saver, which is worsted weight acrylic yarn, and I added some little rhinestones. So there you go. There's some easy snowflakes that you can crochet for the Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.